Hey everyone, and welcome to Vitamin BI, bringing you business intelligence for beginners and beyond. My name's Adam, and on this channel we'll be looking at what business intelligence is, why we use it, and how you can implement it for your business. We'll look at things like data management, analysis and visualization, as well as BI platforms and how to choose the right one for you. Our aim is to democratise and demystify business intelligence and show you that you don't need to be a data scientist or have a huge budget to get started with basic BI for your business. All you need are a few simple tools, techniques and concepts that I'll be sharing with you right here on Vitamin BI. Now, I've been working with data for over 20 years and the last 7 of those in business intelligence. During that time, I've worked with hundreds of clients of all different sizes and all different industries on their BI projects, so I've picked up a thing or two along the way. And I'd like to share my passion for BI and data with you guys. I believe that every business, whatever their size or their budget, should be implementing and gaining the benefits of BI. In today's business world, companies generate tons of data, and making sense of it all can seem rather complicated and daunting. Well, I'd like to uncomplicate it and share some of my knowledge with you guys. So if you're what I might call BI curious and you'd like to find out more about business intelligence, then why not subscribe to the channel and hit that bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you guys as well, so don't forget to like and comment on these videos and let me know if there's anything you'd like to know more about. Until then, grab yourself a coffee, sit back, relax, have a look around, and I'll speak to you soon.